Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with various organizations and artist agencies. Through these experiences, I must say na hindi ko lang basta na-develop yung mga skills and talent na meron ako ngayon. I also discovered my inner voice. Boses na nakaugat sa paglalahad ng mga makabuluhang kwento. And that's where my advocacy started. The stories that inspire. It is my platform that promotes storytelling, theater arts, communication, and creative expression as tools for youth empowerment, education, leadership, and development, and social transformation as well. Because naniniwala ako na ang paglalahad ng mga storya ay may kapangyarihan na makapagbago ng perspective ng outlook natin sa buhay. I started in theater, and the stage was never just a place to perform. It's also a place to reflect real life stories, to express truth, and to inspire change. And for me, I want to continue that mission on a bigger platform. Through this advocacy, 7 years ago, I was able to be involved with this certain group called FCPC Performing Arts Group.
So when I entered First City Providencial College and got the position as the creative director of FCPC Balik-Tanaw 7 years ago, I needed help. I needed support. I needed guidance. Kaya naman wala nang ibang pumasok sa isip ko kundi yung pangalan ni Jessie, because I know
I was able to share my stories, how I became passionate about storytelling and performing arts in general. Dito ko naramdaman na I have a purpose. I have something to give back to the community. And this is my chance to encourage the youth to use their skills and talents in performing arts.
He actually involved himself and conducted workshops in Consuelo Chito Madrigal Foundation. This is our group of scholars in our community na sinishare niya doon yung talents niya. Kaya noon pa lang nakita ko yung advocacy niya and yung leadership niya into cultural activities.
the group has achieved so much. He really contributed a lot.
Through this advocacy, we together, the FCPC Balik-Tanaw Performing Group, we encourage the young people to discover their voices, embrace their personal narratives, use the storytelling as a tool to inspire positive change within their communities. 1, 2, 3, go!
Mahalagang patuloy nating suportahan ang sining, kultura at pagkakaroon ng creative spaces para sa kabataan. Dahil dito nagsisimula mabuksan ang kanilang malikhaing kaisipan na lumikha ng mga kwentong may katuturan.
We believe here in San Jose del Monte that culture and arts is one of the platforms or avenue towards progress. No? Kitang-kita namin yan kasi dito mataas yung pagpapahalaga namin sa sining at kultura.
Through performing arts, workshops, and community projects, nakita namin kung paano nagkaroon ng boses ang mga batang dating may low self-esteem na maglahad ng kwento hanggang sa sila naman na maging inspirasyon sa iba. And that is the impact of this advocacy. Not temporary inspiration, but transforming people's lives. And as someone who believes in the power of storytelling, I want to continue expanding that impact.
When you teach culture to young generations, dadalhin nila yun kasi makikilala nila kung sino sila, yung pagiging Pilipino nila. And if you know who you are, you will love the Philippines and definitely mamahalin mo yung Pilipinas Para sa akin, napakahalaga na mahalin natin yung kultura natin, makilala natin tayo bilang Pilipino dahil later on, mamahalin natin ang Pilipinas at hindi nating hahayaan na may mangyaring masama sa bansa natin.
Sa bawat kwento, buhay ang puso ng ating bansa, ang kultura, pamana at pagmamahal natin sa bayan. Dahil ang sining at paglalahad ng kwento ay hindi lamang pagpapahayag ng talento. Ito ay boses ng ating lahi at daan tungo sa isang mas progresibong bukas. Through storytelling, we do not only preserve our identity. We inspire people to embrace it, celebrate it, and pass it on to the next generation. These are the stories that continue to inspire.